finally getting around to doing the roll cage in the 36 drift car. I have been looking forward to this. So?
I've got a necklace.
Oh, bloody lovely. How'd you feel?
I feel like a dog with no balls.
Okay, so you might be wondering why this video is filmed in portrait. The reason for that is because I filmed this video in like August or September, and I didn't know what the fuck I was talking about or what I was doing with YouTube. What I thought was, oh, everyone's going to be watching on their phones, aren't they? But since starting the channel, I've realised that 90% of the people actually do watch it on their telly. I'm sorry about the black line either side of your TV, but I weren't going to do that stupid thing where a portrait video gets made into a wide video and then you got the stupid colouring, because that looks shit and you shouldn't do it. So if you're on a phone, this is a full screen video and you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But if you're watching on the TV, I apologise for the fact you had to go and get your magnifying glass out. I hope you like this one. I did actually put a lot of time into this video. This was a big build. We started this like just over 2 weeks before the show. And also you get to see what Metalhead was like August last year, and you can see how far we've come, because we have come a long way. The workshop has changed a hell of a lot. But without further ado, let's get back to it, shall we? We now don't have a sunroof, or a headliner, or rear door cards, or a dash at the moment. Obviously the dash will go back in when the cage is built. Hello, rat's nest. Bloody lovely. Need to move the loom, clean the fuck out of this. That's gross. That lovely little union there, that little boy, that little friend of mine started leaking like a dickhead. Now that's full of brake fluid, as you know, corrosive, not ideal. And tomorrow, start bending tubes, making boxes to go down in here to support the legs. And then, hopefully by tomorrow night, we'll have like a hoop, 2 boxes, 2 front boxes, and then maybe some bars. Front legs. Main hoop's built. So now we're in from here, do these front legs. And I've made the boxes, just got to weld them in there, but that happens later. Right. And we have the main bars, main front legs bent up, so just got to mark up, notch, get that fitted in. Now using the magic gun of lava, we're tacking in the boxes, which the hoop will sit on. Right, now we have the main hoop bent up, front legs are bent up, windscreen brace, well, roof brace, not really a windscreen brace, but that's in. So now we'll stick an arrow brace there, and then drop it all down, weld it all up, bloody lovely.
Is this on?
Don't know. Try it and find out.
Well, I don't know either.
We'll try and find out.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Go for it.
No.
See what happens.
The one on your side has to be in. So stop being Ryan. This is gonna be some chunky boy. This filming things and doing things is not easy. Fast forward, a few days later, there are bars. So, current situation, let's talk you through it. Last time you saw me, I just made the hoop and I just put the boxes in. I just made the boxes. Well, since then, we've got the front bars are made, the roof braces are made, the backstays are in, the subframe brace is made, the strut bar is made. You might be wondering why I've got so many bars going across, but that is my old harness bar, and I thought, there's no point taking it back out again, because I don't want to. Alright? bought some standard wings and I've just literally cut tabs. I'm going to rivet those to the top because my front track is so fucking wide. It's ridiculous. Got to do some front bumper cuts to make everything fit all together. If you compare that to the stock side, I mean, Jesus. Quite the difference. So now it's the Thursday before the Thursday before fitment. And it's nowhere near ready. Why do I do this to myself? Backstays are done. They're welded to the hoop and they're welded to the boxes. I've just got to put the sides on these boxes. A la steel plate. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get in there. Like that. So they should be quite tidy looking. So I'm going to do that, and then it technically has a roll cage. Then I've got to put in door bars, backstay brace, X in between the main hoop with some gussets on it, door bars, then get the thing painted, ready for paint for tomorrow night. So yeah, and then on Saturday morning, Friday night the car's got to be painted. I've borrowed STM Bodyworks booth. Saturday morning, flat down the back end and put on the rest of the colour. And then Sunday, sit on my f***ing ass and chill out. Thought I'd have a look just to see, try and imagine what it's going to look like when it's finished. Oh, it's a chunky boy, isn't it? Lovely jubbly. I am a fan. Nice.
Oh, you don't want us in it?
No, I want you in it. I was just letting you know I was going to do one. Alright, take two.
Hang on.
And smashing through this now. Only one diagonal brace in the main hoop and the door bars to go. Put a couple of gussets and we are out of there. That is looking mental, isn't it? I've enlisted the guitarist from a band, Pete, on rubbing down. Good old Mike. What are you? Taco Drift?
Yeah, taco underscore drift.
Yeah, there he is, doing some more rubbing down. We're de-stickered. We're nearly ready. Fucking 45-degree braces are in the rear harness, not harness bar, strut top bar. Backstays are in, diagonals in the backstays. Ooh, bloody lovely. It's now Friday morning. I spent until about 10:30 last night on the cage, and then spoke to my mate Alex on by, and we were there till nearly 1 o'clock in the morning, talking about the stickers and the livery and that. Car's got to be painted tonight. No. But we got to the point yesterday. I've got 2 bars left to make. So, rear cross braces in, main hoop back to subframe braces are in. If you look over there, look, door bars one side are in. Look at that though, I'm so happy with it. That is crazy. 9:15 on Friday night, but we did make it. The cage is finished. And it looks lovely.
Over it again.
And we've got Harry, my mate Carl, my boy Freddie, Mrs. Shaz and Mike have been helping. But look at that. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Oh, look at it. Lovely. Look at this. Oh, we're getting there now. You ain't got to do the badge, dude. Yeah, the badge ain't got to be masked up and painted it black.
I've done the backwards.
Oh, have you? That can come off. Getting there now, aren't we, boys? What we got left to do? Pretty much nothing. Just one wheel. Finish off these windows. Oh, the back wheels. Mirror lens. Getting there. That's it, we're ready to rock. Stick some paint on and go to bed. First coat on. 1 to go. Week's nearly over. Yay! Saturday morning now. Just lining up some designs. I'll get the livery painted on today. So here we are, look. Lines and stuff. I'm so happy with the way this car is turning out. All masked up, ready to put the blue on now. Sneaky peek. See it again in a minute. Right, time to demask. I'm well excited about this. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Let's find out, shall we? And there it is. Stage 1 complete. I cannot fucking wait to see this thing with all its wings and stuff on. It's now Tuesday morning. No, what? It's not Tuesday morning. What am I on about? What day is it? It's Monday. It's Monday night. Literally, brain fart. Right, Monday night. Spent another day on a car today. Car is nowhere to be seen, but all the parts for it are to be seen. I have had to do the bodgiest spray setup ever, because I'm not going to name names, but I only had one wing, so I couldn't paint them on Saturday, could I? And I got this wing on the 5th attempt. 5 different deliveries till we got the right one. Anyway, wheels, wings, bumper, sunroof panel, grille, little wing panel things. All ready to paint now. Paint in black now. Get it all fit tomorrow. And then we finally get to see the car. Like, it's finished shape. Then we've got to wait till Friday night. No, not mate, what am I even saying today? So tired. Then we've got to wait till Friday night. It's not Then we've got to wait till Friday lunchtime. Alex is going to come down, bring all the stickers. I'm going to ring him now and nag him, make sure he's got them done. But yeah, so final push, and the cage gets painted tomorrow and the inside of the car gets painted. I hope it comes out all right. I mean, we're doing a little bit of a last minute, last ditch effort to get this done. But yeah, there they are. We'll see them again in a minute when they're painted. Right, that's the black bits painted. I'll flip this camera around to show you. For a bodge job in a condition, I'll tell you what, it's come out alright, as long as it don't run. There is some questionable bits on the wheels, to be honest, but they'll do. Good enough shine on them, I reckon. Wings looking pretty good. And the bumper, not too bad. Like, again, I've rushed some bits, so we've got some dodginess, but you know, what can you do? You're rushing it, you're going to get imperfections, but it is a drift car. That bumper is going to get destroyed within a couple of events, so you know. These are all temporary, these will all get smashed to hopefully not the sunroof, but you know. There we are, getting there. Bloody lovely. Tuesday night now. I've just spent the last 2 hours painting my roll cage with a brush. And now, come out alright. I'll show you. I'm not finished yet, but it ain't looking too bad. Like, you know, it's come out shiny. Oh, lovely. I've also put the front end together. Are you ready? Oh, hello. That's looking smart as, isn't it? This is the bit I've been waiting for. This is the Sunfay I was talking about. And we're putting fucking stickers on. Just turning it into a race car. Aren't we, mate? It's just a bloody lovely. It's like the pasta sauce. Sick. This is going to transform the whole car, isn't it? Oh, and it's polished. Polished. It's not the best polishing job, so if you go up to it at the show and you're like expecting to see a show spec paint job, it's not what you're going to find, is it? Because it's a drift car. It is now Saturday lunchtime. We got it done. Me and Alex were there until 6 o'clock this morning. I did a 21-hour day yesterday getting this car done, but it is done. It's on the back of the truck, and I tell you what, I could not be happier. It looks mental. I can't really, I'm not getting out of the truck to show you. You're gonna have to wait until you get the proper show pictures and that. But honestly, it looks like a proper pro spec car now. I can't even believe it. Chuffed to bits. And honestly, right, I know that you see people saying this shit on the internet all the time when they're doing videos, but this build for the last 2 and a bit weeks has been ridiculous. I've done, oh fuck me, probably 160 to 200 hours in the last, what, 17 days or something like that on it. So all my friends and family that helped me out with this build to get it ready for this show, thank you, because I would never have done it without you. Honestly, the amount of work it was, it's crazy. And the quality it's come out at, obviously it's not perfect. We weren't shooting for perfection, because obviously it's a drift car. It's going to rub against other drift cars, and it's going to rub against walls and that. And but for the spec that the car is, I mean, it's brilliant. It is just, the quality is, I'm more than happy with the quality. I didn't expect it to come out this good. It's shiny as f***. You see it, that gleaming. Wow. Bloody lovely. Anyway, cue the cinematics. What time?
Oh god.
Look at that though. That is mental.